I've got the time to show my love and what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns.
I don't know why my pants looks like this. Just white after I wash it every time. So I don't know why. And yeah, now I'm gonna leave.
Don't wake me up, don't wake me up, my dreams can never lie.
Yeah, as I said earlier today, like the weather is not too good. So that's one problem, I guess. Alright, so I just got out, then I realized it's like freaking start raining and stuff. And yeah, I can't really do anything much here, so now I kind of just have to go back and trying to use iPhone to shot some B-roll. You can hear there's like water flowing in my eyes right now. So I kind of like want to shot some B-roll here. Let's see if I can find a way to do it and find some stuff, because there's not much to do. But with iPhone, I kind of want to do that 340 FPS and or outperform some DSLR and stuff. So let's see. I have this oh my god, I have these cell phone lenses over here. I can't put it on here a bit. Yeah. It's still busy recording, but you guys can see the difference right now between my iPhone records and the USR, because iPhone just looks like more bright. This guy just looks like more warm tone, so I don't know which one I like better. I like iPhone right here, but it doesn't mean USR is bad, because sometimes I kind of want that kind of lighting. So my MAVIC right here, I crashed it as the last video I said in my last video, and the power crashes. All the drone are perfectly fine, it's still running. The only thing is just get the new propeller around here, it's fine, everything's good. That's one thing that's good, at least. I'm kind of, I don't want to go and eat anymore. I'm just so tired and stuff. I have a project to do afternoon, so I'm probably like after eating there, I can take a nap. Then I'll wake up and like take the shower and so on and stuff. So today just kind of like wondering nothing here. So. Alright, now I'm kind of on my way to go. Lighting condition is pretty good. I can use my iPhone to do some 240 FPS B-roll, but normally if lighting is a little bit crappy, that's not gonna work. So that's one thing to remember. And I'm shooting in 30, so I have high dynamic range back here. So if you have an iPhone XS Max with the new high dynamic range function video recording, make sure you're shooting 30 or 24. My tripod here. So the thing I need to do is I gotta shoot it. First time actually using Ronin to and on the street and stuff. I actually take Ronin out because this is kind of awkward when I do it. Like you take this giant walking around the street and filming yourself. Everybody's like looking at you and stuff. But since today I'm kind of like doing a production anyway, I have to bring this. So you guys can tell by like my breath, I'm like super pumped, like breathing super hard right now. The guy just look at me. That guy, he's like looking at me. So I will try to set up a tripod. Maybe it depends on like how the sunlight. Right now the lighting is not too great. Okay, just taking the tripod and Ronin at the same time, and also using Ronin to vlog. That's a school lens. I can't broke it. If I broke it, that's a big deal. That's like a actual thing. It's so hard. That's why like no one really vlog using like a Ronin S and stuff. Even though they know it gives them like a more smooth pen and stuff. Now I'm gonna put a setup basically. Oh my god, my hair. The hair looks like this. I don't know. I just wake up. Just took a nap. Like I said, like everyone's like scared. even though right now it's only like not a lot of people right here, but I don't think sunlight right here, the lighting is good. So I'm gonna basically try to move it to the other way. Or let me try a shot right here and just see how it works. Just look at this tripod right here. It looks like 2,000 years old and stuff. I can't even bend this. I don't even know how to use a tripod. I usually don't use tripod a lot, so I don't even know how to use this tripod right now. So let me try. Now we are on 50mm f1.4. You guys see how shallow the background is, and I am on f1.4. I am super far away from the camera, but it still don't have anyone help with me, so I have to actually see this. You guys see right now, everything is super shallow in the back. I still cannot see LCD screen from the camera, but I can tell from the experience like f1.4 will be a lot more shallow than before. So let me just take a look at the footage right now and see the lighting condition, because I think the natural light is okay for now, but maybe we have to move there. But I have all the equipment here, so let's just see. Alright, so that's about it, and right now I'm kind of like finished shooting. I'm just kind of leaving, walking to home, and I probably got home and start editing this video because I have a lot of stuff needs to do since these are final right now, and I don't know what the fuck wrong with my hair. It looks so creepy today, especially after filming that interview, but it's fine. When I'm doing the interview, it looks kind of okay. Now I have to actually go back and start editing. I only done like one part of the interview, so that's why I'm kind of like still having a long way to go. I have to film it again like maybe tomorrow, or if I have time. This is too heavy. Normally I can switch hand, but right now it's like one hand I have to take all these, the other hand holding the camera and start talking, so too tired. So let's just, I'll tell you guys later, and yeah. I got it. Finally it was here. Now, nice. I can't get in anymore because when I came out, I forgot to take my phone. So yeah, I can't get in anymore. So how should I even get in? Because remember the lock I showed you is like a app on your phone. Click it, then you can get in. But now I can't. So I have to actually knock on the door again. Is this a doorbell?